Hey guys, so I'm going to show you how to build a simple and cheap DIY bench out of 2x4s. You're only going to need two tools for this project, a circular saw or a miter saw, and a drill. The materials you're going to need for this project is 2x4s, a pack of screws, sandpaper, and paint or stain, whatever you decide to go with. I chose to go with stain on this. First thing you want to do is figure out your measurements. Then after that, mark everything up, then we go to the cutting. Right here, all I'm doing is just finding the center of the bench and marking it out. Alright, so I'm using my sander here. You don't need a sander for this part. Basically, all you want to do is clean up the rough edges, smooth everything out, and you'll be good. And there you have it, your very own DIY bench for under $20. If you like this video, hit the like button. Be sure to subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, TIZ Crafty. Thanks for watching, everybody.